PaintedAutoParts.com Motorhead of the Week is Pete Olson from Hebron, Connecticut. Surprise, Pete, your wife Shelly is the one who nominated you. Now, Pete and his best friend went to their first drag race when they were still in high school, and as the story goes, they were hooked. Just a few years later, Pete found the perfect car to go drag racing. It was a 1968 Dodge Dart. Now, Pete did a lot of the fabrication by himself. It's still a work in progress. He did the roll cage, the ladder bars, the mods on the dash and trunk. The first time he took it to the track, it was a 12-second car clocking in at 110 miles an hour. Nearly 25 years later, Pete and the Dart are still together, as I mentioned, and the Dart is in its fourth configuration of its big block 440. What was once a 12-second car ran in the low 10s just last season. Now, Pete has high hopes to break into the 9s this year, so good luck, Pete. You can be like Shelly Olson. You can rat out a friend or a family member. Just tell us all about them, why they should be the PaintedAutoParts.com Motorhead of the Week. Just send us a note at MotorheadGarage.tv. We will do it once again next week. We hope you join us then. We'll see you next time on Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com.